Hello friends, this is Shanaya from Shanaya's Henna Art. Today I'm excited to share with you a beautiful front hand Mehndi design I created on my lovely niece. And make sure to watch till the end. There's a special moment you won't want to miss. As we move to the next section, keep in mind the special clip at the end of the video. Trust me, you'll find it adorable. We're almost done with the main design. Now let's add some finishing touches to make it even more beautiful. Don't forget to stay with us till the end for that cute moment I mentioned earlier. And there you have it, a beautiful front hand Mehndi design. Now as promised, here's a sweet clip of my niece being extra careful with her Mehndi. She's doing her absolute best not to mess up her Mehndi because she adores henna so much. Just look at her carefully tiptoeing, trying so hard to keep it perfect. Let's watch. I hope you enjoyed this front hand Mehndi design tutorial and that adorable clip of my niece. Have you ever applied Mehndi on little kids? How was your experience? Please share your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful Mehndi designs. And follow me on Instagram at Shanaya's Henna Art for more updates and designs. Thank you for watching.